off the outside edge. And catch taken. So first wicket for the Raiders, Hyderabad.
And that back of a length, maybe the moisture just helps it just skid through. And it's a good catch.
Pressure on this batting pair to get boundaries in the over, at least one. It's a good hard length.
Yeah, you can just see it just skidded off the surface as well. It's a good catch by Zeolug because he was coming in at third and then just had to check.
Goes high, offside, and it's got the distance to go for 4. So that's a positive end to the over.
They knew they had to try and get a boundary off this last delivery. Talk about the run rate. 9 for 1 is a good start for the Hunters as well. Again, just skidding away.
And again. Chance for the run out. And the umpire will just check.
Munib Wasib was hit in a not very nice area and couldn't run. Absolutely he's gone. He's not even in the frame. Remember, it was a free hit. It was a no ball called again before he tried to get on strike. Oh, he's out.
I would have advised for this young man.
Yeah, he's just got to try and get it a little bit further outside the off stump. He slips, so does the batter. Direct hit. It's the end of the captain. No balls, everything. But yeah, he's just got to just hold and settle a little bit. Think of the area you want to bowl. You're bowling round the wicket.
That's much better. Word of advice, properly executed.
Perfect. Into the surface, that 4th stump line. Look, pitches outside, tries to swing across the line, top of middle stump. And even if it does swing from that, it's so difficult for a left-hander to pick you up over. Deep square leg for 6. Delight.
There is another. And it's not the delivery that goes away from the right-hander. It nips in.
For the Hunter batters. This one again, just nipped back into the surface. That hard length that just maybe keeps down a little bit.
Still no boundary. Yep, there's one. To trickle into the boundary line.
I can forgive a little bit of this now with how damp the outfield is. You can see how they're sliding. It is a bit wet still. Ultimately, it's not about cutting 2s off here. It's about stopping boundaries.
That sounded good. Sounded really good. Goes all the way for half a dozen. And that's a clean, firm strike.
Now the pressure is back on. This game was all nearly done by the Raiders, but all of a sudden now, the Hunters, they are hunting.
Stumping effected. So after 10 runs conceded, Naveed finally gets his man.
Just watch this, doesn't bounce too much, he stays low. Look how low he goes. It's a good take. It's a brilliant stumping.
That's one. Is that one? One into the fielder's hands.
New to the crease. It's so good because it goes into the surface and wide as well, so he has to try and drag it. Simple catch.
Went for the big shot, doesn't have the distance, and he goes, perishes via the same route he's caught.
A little bit damp as well. What's being clever is he's just bowled it into the surface. And he's got a bit of grip as well.
That might be his hat-trick, yes! First hat-trick of the Pakistan Junior League going to Afnan Khan. There's something about this young man. With bat, with ball, he's a genuine star.
And as you said, the first in the inaugural Pakistan Junior League. Again, look how clever into the surface. Not easy for any batter coming out, trying to hit the ball out of the park. And another catch for Amir Hassan.